Let's take a look at how to create an animated tile for your tile set. Right, this is a pretty simple one. Nice short video that should round us out for the year, but with this, all we have, I just have a 2D scene here. I just have a quick little sprite that I brought in, right? No big deal. Just throw in some green for some grass, and then what would be, I don't know, could be waves on your beach or whatever. Obviously, this is not great to look at, but you'll get the idea and it would animate, right? The point is just getting the idea across and showing you how it works. So in this 2D scene, I'm going to go ahead and add a tile map. In this case, since it's deprecated, we're getting pretty close to 5.0, with being 4.6 releasing probably next month, if not the month directly after, so January, February. So let's go ahead. I'll just use a tile map layer. Same process should apply either way. So we have a tile map layer, and we have to come over to our tile set in the inspector and just do a new one. Open that up. Perfectly fine. Set your tile size for what you have. In case of what I have, my tiles are made at 16 by 16. All right. So down here at the bottom, you can see we have all these options here. We're going to click on tile set, and we have this empty space. Down here in the bottom left, I'm just going to grab my sprite, drag it in, and there we go. Now we've already set it up for 16 by 16, so I'm going to tell it, yeah, go ahead, automatically create the tiles for me. Now there is an issue. Since I want this top row to be animated down here, I don't need all three of these, can't be individual tiles. Right? They can't be set up that way. Oops. Right, we gotta keep those. Right, so this is what you're gonna have typically when you go in here. Right, so you're gonna come in, select tiles. I'm just gonna go ahead and select the eraser, and since I'm gonna start with the top tile here. I'm going to animate with the following two tiles. So it's going to be a 3-tile animation. I'm going to deselect the next two as tiles so that I only have one tile that I could pick from. So if I select map, I can only pick this tile, I can place it, and that's it. I'm just going to go ahead and change the filter to the nearest. There we go. All right, so that's it. I can't select the other two because they're not tiles. Right, so that makes sense. So back inside the tile set here, if I do this, we should have a nice size for you. But down here in the tile set, right, we're just going to go to, if we go to select, we have that. We go to paint. We could set up properties, but it's not what we're going to be going for. We're going to stick to inside. So we're just going to go ahead and use select. And once we're inside of that select tab, just go ahead and select the first tile in the animation. And we can zoom that in. So I just have that one tile selected, the other two are not tiles. And here's where we can go ahead and set it. So it's under the select tab, columns, I'm going to go to 3 because it's a 3-frame animation. And I'm just going to scroll down, and I can see frames. I have 1. Add element, that's 2, add element, that's 3. So that's 3 frames. And you could already see it's animating up here very slowly, but it's animating. So all you have to do now is you can come in, you can change the speed of your animation here. For example, let's go to 4 times, and we can see that animating so much quicker. Alternatively, you can come down to the frame duration here, and you could change it on a per frame basis. So if you wanted this one to be 0.4 on the first frame and have a duration, say 0.4 there again, and then maybe it typically holds on the last frame 6 seconds, we can see that reflect in the animation of the tile there. We can see we kind of have like this flicker go on by having this last frame hold much longer. That's really it for creating your animated tiles. So if that's all you need, go on, take care, have yourselves a good one. I'll see you guys next time. And I'll just go ahead and we can create this over really quick just to run through it, make sure you got it. So go to my scene, tile map layer, create a new tile set in the inspector, go to tile set, drag my sprite in, create your tiles. We want to animate this tile here on the left, so I'll delete the next two, remove the next two as tiles because they're part of the animation. Go to the select tab, select frame 1, change columns to 3 because it's a 3-frame animation, and under frames just hit add element twice. Now we can go to, we have our tile map that we can click and place, and it's animated. Right? Simple. And for anybody wondering, it's only a horizontal animation, so you're not going to go through the first 3 here and then loop down to the bottom. As you see, even with columns set to 5, it's not going to allow us to add any more elements. Alright, so just keep that in mind. Your animation is horizontal, and you can change the speed and duration per frames in your settings there. But that's it. Take care. Have yourselves a good one. Very simple to do, and really nice to see in games. Alright, take care. I'm starting to ramble.